Now, let me show you how we can separate PDF pages on the iPad. So what we're going to do is open up the Files app, and let me just make it go full screen. And let's say that I have a PDF which contains a bunch of different pages. For example, this one, you can see that there's the page 1 of 4, and there are actually more pages. So how do I separate them? There are more ways, of course, but you can click on a share and essentially get to the print mode, which creates the printable format. So again, 4 pages of the PDFs. But there is a little trick, meaning that let's say that I only want to keep the first page. I'm going to uncheck the other 3 like that. I'm left with this one. And then now within this print window, I'm going to click on a share again. And I essentially decided to export only 1 page of this. Right, so I can click on a save to files. Let's say I'm going to pick the downloads and save it as the single PDF or separate PDF, so we can find it easy. So you can see that's the separate PDF. I'm going to save it in there, and then now if I go to the files, in the downloads, I should be able to find the separate PDF, which now contains only 1 page. So that's how you can separate the pages and only decide to keep the ones you actually need. So I think that's actually very simple. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your iPad as well. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later.